all, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how you can daily post on LinkedIn from the RSS feed, which is you can daily share news on your LinkedIn using this simple automation. So yes, to create this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After opening this, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. And this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for RSS by Pabbly. For the event, select new item in feed and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the feed URL. So to get this feed URL, first of all, make sure for which channel you want to get this feed URL of. So let's say I want the feed URL of the Hindu. So I'm just going to open a new tab and type RSS feed the Hindu. And this is the first URL, which is the RSS feed of the Hindu. Over we're going to see all the categories. So let's say I only want to share the business related news. So over here I'm going to select business and you're going to see over here the URL is my feed URL. So I'm just going to copy this feed URL and paste it right over here. But for me, I want the Hindu RSS feed. But let's say you want the Times of India RSS feed. So type RSS feed, the Times of India. Okay, so what you have to do is, first of all, you have to type RSS feed and then the channel name. So you're going to get the RSS feed of that channel. Then after opening this, you can get the feed URL from the same. After you get this feed URL, simply paste the feed URL right over here in your workflow. And it is asking for the filter type. So select it as default, which is recommended, and click on the save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, you're going to see the latest news will be captured over here. So you can see that we have successfully captured this latest news. So let's close this and we're going to post it on our LinkedIn. But before we move on further and post it on our LinkedIn, I'll just let you know that RSS by Pabbly is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data. And over here in the case of RSS by Pabbly, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 60 minutes. So if you wish to reduce or increase this time, you can left click on this and go to its this set trigger time. You can keep the minimum time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. I'm going to keep it as 60 minutes only, and I want that every 60 minutes we should check in this feed URL if we have some latest news. Capture the details of those latest news and post it on our LinkedIn. This is the objective of our today's video. Alright, so this is the reason when we clicked on this save and send test request, it directly captured the latest news and gave it to me right over here as the response. Alright, so now let's move it further and post it on our LinkedIn. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for LinkedIn and select it. For the event, you have to select it as share simple text and click on this connect. Now if you want to create a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you have it, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Once we click on this connect with LinkedIn, we have to enter the account credentials over here. So as you can see, I've entered the credentials of my account. Now I'm just going to click on this sign in. Once we click on this sign in, our LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the authors. Over here it is saying no options found. So you have to click on this refresh fields and automatically the options will appear. So select the option. Now for the content, you have to enter the content which you want to post on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to first enter this new update from RSS feed. Then I'm just going to enter the title, summary, and for the lead more, I'm just going to attach the link of the news. But we are not going to enter this title, summary, and the link manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see, I've entered this title. For the summary, I've mapped this description, and for the read more, I've attached the link of the news. This is all the three details which you receive from the response of this RSS by Pabbly. For the visibility, I'm going to keep it as public. If you wish, you can definitely keep it as connections too. After doing this, click on this save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our LinkedIn. So let's open our LinkedIn and we're going to go back and check for all the new posts. Alright, so let's refresh this, and now I'm just going to check for the new post, and as you can see over here, we have posted a new post. New update from RSS feed. You're going to see the title, the summary, and the read more link. When we click on this read more link, you're going to see that this is the same news which we shared, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new item in this feed of RSS by Pabbly, automatically a post will be posted on LinkedIn. Every 60 minutes this workflow is going to run and automatically post a new post on my LinkedIn. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. What we have to do is we just have to sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow, check out the content which I've posted, and use it for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.